If you've been thinking about an AI receptionist for your business, but you keep putting it off because you're not sure what the process looks like or how much of your time it's going to take, this is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how a digital phone.ai deployment works step by step. It starts with a 30-minute discovery call. You call us at 336-560-4000 and ask for a business analyst. This is not a sales pitch, it's a working session. We ask you simple questions. What are the top reasons people call your business? What are your hours? What happens after hours right now? What do you consider urgent? Who should get notified? Most business owners can answer all of that in 20 to 30 minutes. That's all we need to get started. From there, your business analyst takes over. You are not configuring a wizard. You are not pasting your website URL into a tool and hoping for the best. A real person builds your call flow, mapping how calls should route by intent, by urgency, and by time of day. They write your FAQ answers in your voice. They define your escalation rules, and they connect the AI to your email, your CRM, or your dispatch tools so the data goes where your team already works. You review and approve everything before it goes live. If something doesn't match how your business operates, we fix it. Then we launch, but we start smart. Your first deployment is after hours only. The AI handles evenings, weekends, and holidays. Your staff handles everything during business hours, exactly like they do today. You review the summaries each morning. You see who called, what they needed, and what the next step should be. Most businesses are ready to expand into overflow coverage within 1 to 2 weeks. And here's what most people don't expect. Your total time commitment through this entire process is about 1 hour. 30 minutes for the discovery call, 15 minutes to review what your analyst built, and 15 minutes to make a few test calls before you go live. Your business analyst handles everything else. After launch, we don't disappear. Your analyst reviews real call patterns, identifies gaps, refines the scripts, and tunes the routing so the AI gets better every month, not stale. That's it. That's the whole process. No surprises, no complicated setup, just a structured deployment built by someone who's been doing voice and routing for more than 25 years. Call 336-560-4000 and ask for a business analyst. The discovery call takes 30 minutes and your AI receptionist can be answering calls within days.